Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm truly excited to bring you a very special car review, because the vehicle we're talking about is not just a car, it's a statement of ultimate luxury and future mobility. This is the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre, a fully electric ultra-luxury coupe that represents the next chapter of the Rolls-Royce legacy. With its updated exterior design, next-level interior craftsmanship, refined electric performance, and breathtaking price tag, the Spectre 2027 proves that electric cars can still be emotional, elegant, and absolutely timeless. Let's start with the exterior design, because the moment you see the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre, you immediately know this is something extraordinary. The front is dominated by the iconic Pantheon grille, now enhanced with an advanced illuminated design that glows softly, giving the car a regal presence at night. Even though this is a fully electric vehicle, Rolls-Royce has kept the traditional grille design to preserve brand identity, and it works beautifully. Sitting proudly above the grille is the Spirit of Ecstasy, redesigned to be more aerodynamic, lower, and sleeker, helping the Spectre achieve one of the best drag coefficients ever for a Rolls-Royce. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, using the latest LED and laser lighting technology, giving the front end a futuristic yet elegant look. From the side, the Spectre looks long, low, and incredibly smooth. The coupe silhouette is perfectly balanced, with a flowing roofline that stretches gracefully toward the rear. The signature coach doors open rear-hinged, creating a dramatic entrance every time you step in or out. These doors are fully powered and can be closed with the push of a button, reinforcing the sense of effortlessness that defines Rolls-Royce. The 23-inch wheels have been redesigned for 2027, offering a bold yet refined look while improving aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the design is clean and minimalist, with slim LED taillights that emphasize width and sophistication. There are no exhaust pipes, of course, and the smooth rear design highlights the purity of electric luxury. Overall, the exterior of the 2027 Spectre is not aggressive or sporty, but calm, confident, and undeniably powerful. Now let's step inside, where the Rolls-Royce Spectre truly separates itself from everything else on the road. Opening the coach doors reveals an interior that feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car cabin. Every surface is covered in the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, polished metals, and custom finishes created specifically for each owner. Rolls-Royce's bespoke program allows almost unlimited personalization, meaning no two Spectres are ever exactly the same. The dashboard features a beautifully integrated digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display, both designed to look elegant rather than flashy. The interface has been updated for 2027, offering smoother graphics, faster responses, and enhanced connectivity, while still maintaining the brand's classic and understated style. One of the most breathtaking features is the Starlight interior. The headliner is filled with thousands of tiny fiber optic lights that mimic a night sky, and for 2027, the door panels also feature illuminated star patterns, creating a magical atmosphere, especially during nighttime driving. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and advanced adjustments that adapt to the driver's body. Even though this is a coupe, the rear seats provide generous space, allowing adult passengers to travel in complete comfort. The cabin is also extremely quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation, acoustic glass, and the natural silence of the electric drivetrain. When you're inside the Spectre, the outside world simply disappears. Now let's talk about performance, because while Rolls-Royce is not about speed in the traditional sense, the 2027 Spectre is still seriously powerful. This car is powered by dual electric motors producing over 600 horsepower, delivering smooth and effortless acceleration. The instant torque of the electric motors allows the Spectre to glide forward without any noise or vibration. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, it takes just over 4 seconds, which is impressive for a car of this size and weight. But the real magic of the Spectre is how it drives. Rolls-Royce engineers focused on delivering what they call the magic carpet ride, and the 2027 model takes this concept even further. The advanced suspension system uses cameras and sensors to read the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, ensuring the smoothest possible ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or traveling at high speeds on the highway, the Spectre feels calm, stable, and incredibly refined. Steering is light and precise, making the car surprisingly easy to drive despite its large dimensions. The latest driver assistance systems are included, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and advanced parking features. These systems work quietly in the background, supporting the driver